Hello friends, my name is Jagdish. Today in this video we learn string methods in JavaScript. There are lots of string methods in JavaScript. Today we will see all methods one by one. I am right here string let variable name is text and right here string hello. And I want to print this string, then how we can print? Simply write here console dot log and name of variable is text. In this way we can print the string. After that another method is char at character at. I am write here another variable letter, name of first variable text dot char at character at, and here pass the index and pass here 1. After that print this variable letter. Is E. Here is 0 1 and pass here 4. It prints the O. After that another method is char code at. Char code at returns the Unicode character. Here I am write char code at and here I am pass the 0. Unicode character of H is 72 and char code character of E is 69. Another method used in string is concat. Suppose I am write here another string text1 equals to world. I am write here another variable result text dot concat and pass another variable text1. After that print this result variable console dot log and pass here result. Two string is concatenated. After that another method used in string is ends with. It checks any string end with. Suppose I am write here string hello world. After that I am write another variable result text dot ends with world. Console dot log result. It prints the true. I am write here hi it prints the false. I is not present in our string. After that, another method used in string is includes. Suppose here is my string. I am right here, let result equals to text dot includes I am right here India. After that, console.log result. It prints the hello world India. Okay, it prints the false. India is not present in our string. After that, another method used in string is index of. Right here, let result equals to text dot index of world. It print the index of world 6 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. After that, another method is last index of. And simply write here last index. It also print the 6. After that, another method is length. Let length equal to text dot length. Console.log print here length. It prints the 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. After that, another method is local compare. I'm right here another variable text 1 equals to India. After that, I'm right here another variable result equals to text dot local compare. Right here text 1. After that, I am print here console.log result. It prints the -1. After that, another method is match. It matches the string in our given string. I am right here let result equals to text dot match. In that I am pass L and D. Last two character of world. After that, console.log result. It prints the index 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 L and D. After that another method is repeat. I'm right here, let result equals to text dot repeat, and in that I'm pass 2. It repeats the string. After that another method is replace. Here simply write replace, pass world, replace world to India. It replace the world to India. After that another method is search. Here write search method, and in that I am right here world. Is 6 index of W. After that another method is slice, is used to extract a string. Here I am write slice, and I am here pass starting is 0 and ending is 5. Starting is 0, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 is blank. Here I am write 6, it prints also W. 6 7, it prints the W. Another method is split. I am write split, and here I am pass 2. It split the string H and E. Here I am pass 3. It prints the HEL. After that another method is starts with. It checks the start string. Here I am pass start with, and here I am pass hello. Starts, yes. RT, yes. Starts with, it's true. String is started with hello. After that another method is substring. Here I am write sub string, and here I am pass 1 4 is hello. 0 1 2 3 and 4. It prints the E to O. After that another method is to lowercase. Here I am write method 2 lowercase, it converts to lowercase. After that another method is up to uppercase. I am write here method upper to uppercase, it converts to uppercase string. After that another method is to string, it converts to string. Here I am write method to string, it's hello world. After that another method is trim. Suppose I am here leave the some space, trim is used to remove the white space. Simply write here trim method and prints. Okay, after that another method is value of. It value of returns primitive value of string. Here I am write value of. It prints the hello world. These are the methods used in string. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video.